Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So, I only eat ramen and serve with stir fry, thin sliced pork meat, shrimp, tomato, onion, and lotus roots, shiitake. And this one is a little particular veggie. The Japanese people call autumn poem. This one is kind of like hybrid new veggie. Basically, some good veggie from China and mix up another veggie. So another name is Asparagus. So, but it's not family of asparagus. Just a name. Autumn poem. Funny name, but I love it. Good taste. So I'm gonna make stir fry. Okay. Autumn poem. Basic. Chinese sake. Pepper. This is a chicken soup base. Little bit. You can get easy regular market chicken based soup. Tomato. Put this together. No water. Okay, done. So you must use hot plate, heating up some hot water. Okay. Okay, let's start it. So today it's my original stir fry. Serve with ramen. So I'm using a Japanese people called autumn poem. It's a green one. Another name is Asparagus. It's a good veggie. It's a new veggie. And I'm just stir fry with thin sliced pork and shrimp and tomato, lotus roots, onion and shiitake. Just make combination. Looks good. いただきます。トメトー。Good. Lotus roots. Crunchy texture. But autumn poem. Good veggie. Shrimp. And masarap ramen. Yeah, it's nice. Delicious. So, thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Please try this kind stir fry. Thank you. Have a good day.